Another thing is, like, you can use gedit, and I still do it quite often, but if you are writing a program, like a Python program or C or whatever language you are using, you normally use your favorite text editor, your favorite IDE over the text editor. For example, Visual Studio Code that I have in my PC right now. And instead of writing gedit, I can write code, which is the command to run Visual Studio Code. And I can still write my text file, or I could just keep it like that to run Visual Studio Code. Let me show you editing a file first with the Visual Studio Code. If I enter, you see Visual Studio Code started and start editing my text file over here, which I don't want to do much right now. I can close it and I can code here. Okay, it started the very last Visual Studio Code window over here. So you can choose whatever you want. Either you can come and open Visual Studio Code here, or from the applications you can select it, or you can just start typing your terminal and you will have Visual Studio Code, or whatever application you want to open can be opened through the terminal.